Welcome back, everybody. It is the 23rd of November, and Kaylee and I are sitting here in the shanty overlooking four different Nebraska food plots that are getting destroyed. I mean, these food plots, I'll show you right now, they're just absolutely getting hammered. There's tracks everywhere where they're digging up Nebraska, and it's looking like it's going to be a pretty good night. Monty sat in here yesterday evening and seen quite a few deer. We're just not seeing the deer we want to kill yet, but we know there's probably one around here somewhere, so we're crossing our fingers. There's actually two deer out in the food plot right here behind us already, and we were able to get in here without bumping them at all. So big congratulations to the Clymer Sherman Panama football team. They just won a state championship, and it's crazy. That's absolutely awesome. I'm pretty envious of that. Wish I could have been a part of something like that when I was in high school, but they deserve it. They worked hard, and they went 13-0 and just steamrolled everybody all the way to the state championship, which they just won. So congratulations to all you boys if you're watching. That is awesome. I take serious pride in that. But did you ever win a state championship?
No, I did not.
Neither did I. At least we have some friends that have now.
Yeah.
Absolutely awesome, guys. What was the team's name?
Mariah?
Mariah, yeah. They're from way up north. So they played Mariah at the state championships and took them out. But let's sit tight and see if any deer come out here. There comes Big Mama. Oh, got the baby too. 3 babies. Well, that's a wrap on that hunt. It was really a pretty slow evening. We've seen a few little bucks and a few doe, and that was it. Really nothing at dark, which is super unusual. I think that there's some pressure in the woods that caused my hunting to be pretty terrible, but it is what it is. We have a new product here, a new light that I'm going to go ahead and introduce to you guys, the FOLOMOV light. It's a compact tactical flashlight with 15 modes, and it's 900 lumens, so this thing is seriously bright. It's impact and waterproof, and it's a pretty sweet light. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, and I'm going to show you what it looks like and what it does here. Okay, so here it is on box. It's a super handy little light. I mean, obviously look at my hand, look how small this light is. You can fit it right in your pocket. And this thing packs punch with its light. 900 lumens and a little tiny handheld flashlight that you could literally clip to your hat if you needed to. That's the coolest aspect of this light in my opinion, is how bright it is and how compact and small it is, so you can stick it right in your pocket and hardly even know it's there. It's got a bunch of different modes of brightness and easily adjustable with a button in the back. So I'd recommend this little light. I'm going to put a link in the description below if you guys are interested in one of these. Go ahead and check it out. Appreciate everybody watching. We'll have better hunts coming soon.